Oppo Reno 3 series confirmed to launch in December with ColorOS 7 and dual-mode 5G support. Oppo has revealed ColorOS 7, the latest iteration of Oppo's custom Android skin that will be officially launched at an event in China on November 20th, and later in India on November 26th. Oppo has now announced that the first phones to run ColorOS 7 out of the box will fall under the Oppo Reno 3 series. This is the first time we are hearing anything official about the Oppo Reno 3 series. Additionally, Oppo has revealed that the Oppo Reno 3 series will come with dual-mode 5G support and will be launched in December. The official Oppo Weibo account shared a post earlier today, announcing that the Oppo Reno 3 series will come with dual-mode 5G support, which essentially means compatibility with both NSA and SA standards. The post also states that the Oppo Reno 3 series will be the first smartphone lineup to launch with ColorOS 7. However, it is not known if the ColorOS 7 version running on the Oppo Reno 3 series phones will be based on Android 10, or if it will be stuck on Android Pie. The Chinese smartphone maker has also revealed that the Oppo Reno 3 series will be launched in China next month. However, the company has not revealed if, or when, the Reno 3 lineup will make its way to the Indian market. Oppo Reno 3 is tipped to pack a quad rear camera setup that will include a 60-megapixel primary camera, accompanied by an 8-megapixel sensor, a 13-megapixel camera, and a 2-megapixel shooter as well, while selfies will be handled by a 32-megapixel front camera. It will reportedly feature a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus 1080x2400 pixels AMOLED display with 90Hz refresh rate, and will draw power from the Snapdragon 735 SoC paired with 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM and up to 256GB of internal storage. For more updates, subscribe and share this video.